Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you had a good holiday break. Sorry I couldn't be there this week. It's the way it goes in this fun situation. Um, just wanted to make sure that everyone's on the same page with what's got to come into me for the Robot Dunk Challenge. I know some of you may have worked on that on Tuesday before the end of the week, prior to break, but basically what I'd like you to do is copy and paste the program you wrote from Robot-C into here and turn it in. I still only have 2 people who did that for the Sentry simulation. I like to copy and paste your code that you've pasted in here and bring that into Robot-C and test and see what you've done and kind of look at how you wrote your program. So basically, what I'm looking for, if you want to go from a program that's brand new, if you open a new one and you go right down to opening a standard ClawBot, that's going to do everything you need as far as setting up the motors and sensors. Now what I'm looking for when you turn this in is that you copy and paste what you've done. You don't have to copy the Pragma code. That's just the automatic setup when you choose the robot. But what we've done to this point, we've created behaviors and void statements, and you should know how to name those, what the format is. And then we've also introduced integers. Anywhere there's a number, like motor speed or a number for time, we can create an integer. So for example, my move forward behavior, the integer is ch speed. CH stands for chassis speed, and CH time, chassis time. So that tells me how far the chassis is going to go as far as speed and time. Now, one of the things that tends to happen when I roll programs together as far as program flow, they tend to move right into each other too quickly, and sometimes they don't stop. So I created a void behavior to stop all motors. So every motor I'm using, I turn to 0 for a specific amount of time, and that's just a pause between steps. And again, I've gone on to say that I have a void statement for gripping and a void statement for moving the arm. Now I don't have to do 2 different ones for open and close claw and up and down. What I can do is just change this. Instead of opening, I could change it to a negative to close. So it saves a lot of time. So what I'm looking for, 1, is your void, how you set them up and how you use the integers. More commenting the better. Everywhere I see green text, I'm happy. That means I can see what you're trying to do. Obviously, the more you comment up here in your void statements, the less you're going to have to do down here. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste everything you put into the doc, and I'm going to paste it into my screen, and I'm going to open this up and test your program. And make sure that when you're testing this, you zoom out so you can see what it's doing. Basically, if you're close, the program is fairly generous. Like if you get to the ball and raise the arm and grip it, it's pretty much going to put it in. Other than that, you're going to have to turn, maneuver around this post, drop it in the bucket. Now, some of you may have this done, and that's great. If you don't, keep working on that. We're going to learn some new stuff possibly tomorrow or Wednesday. But again, once you do solve this, copy and paste your program from Robot-C, everything from the Pragma statement down. Whoops. I don't know why I'm showing you all this, because you know how to do it. Copy that and then paste it right into the document here. Therefore, I can test it and move on from there. I hope you guys have a good start to the week, and I'll talk to you soon.